And even if it's so, I'm falling anyway. No matter what they say, a part of me is taking me by the hand. The world can see, still they can't understand. Why can't they understand? My heart has a mind of its own. Right or wrong, it's gonna do only what it feels is true. I'll follow it wherever it goes, anywhere it leads me to. My heart has a mind of its own. Maybe we will always be together. Maybe this'll last 1,000 years. Ain't nobody knows, and even if they did, it doesn't matter now. I love you anyhow. A part of me is taking me by the hand. The world can see, still they can't understand. Why can't they understand? My heart has a mind of its own. Right or wrong, it's gonna do only what it feels is true. I'll follow it wherever it goes, anywhere it leads me to. My heart has a mind of its own. My heart knows what I'm needing. My heart knows what I'm feeling. It knows me better than I know myself. My heart knows what I'm missing, and all I have to do is listen and listen well. My heart has a mind of its own. Right or wrong, it's gonna do only what it feels is true. I'll follow it wherever it goes, anywhere it leads me to. My heart has a mind of its own. Mind of its
Ngayon pinasok na rin bilang aktor.
Ay, wala na tayong magagawa. Ganyan
Oo.
talaga.
Acting na ang ginagawa, ano? At yan ay dahil sa pelikula ng Regal Films. Alamin natin ngayon.
Kung
yan,
ano yun.
okay? At yan ay walang iba kundi ang aming tinutukoy na si Christian Bautista!
Hi! Thank you.
Welcome! Welcome once again sa Walang Tulugan.
Thank you po. Thank you. Lagi na nandito po ako. Thank you.
Kamusta na?
Okay naman.
Is it a brand new song?
It's my latest song. Sa second album ko pa rin po na completely. Yun nga, ang title nga, yung mahabang title na pinag-usapan
Ang haba,
natin
ang
kanina.
sabi ni Christian kanina
na
title.
My heart has a mind of its own.
Nakatulog na
And
kasing haba
Huwag mo
daw
nang
ng title.
paulit sa akin, Jackie Lon. My heart na lang ang
Sabi
sasabihin.
niya kanina, my heart. Nakatulog kaming dalawa.
Yun din po yung theme song ng upcoming movie na Mano Po 5 under Regal Films by
Ayun.
Direk Joel Lamangan.
Which you are, is that the movie that you will be part of?
Abo, I'll be part of that movie. Tapos, parang love triangle ako, si Angel Oxin, saka si Richard Gutierrez.
Wow. Is this
Actually,
your first first movie?
Yes, it's my first movie.
How has the experience been so far?
Nakaka-tense.
Nakaka-tense, bakit?
Sobra talagang tulo ng tulo yung pawis ko. Kasi first movie ko, tapos kinakabahan, tapos ang gagaling nila, sina Angel, sina Gina,
Naka-eksena mo
sila
ba
Joel.
lahat yung mga nariyan sa pelikulang yan?
Opo, eksena ko sila lahat. And ang babait nila lahat, very professional, very supportive. So, I really felt at home nung nandun
nice,
ako.
no?
So, yeah.
And of course, this is under Regal and they're preparing it for this coming Metro Film Fest,
Oh,
di ba?
okay.
Just imagine, first movie niya, pang Metro Film
Di
Fest
ba?
pa. Di
At
ba?
saka siya pa yung kumanta ng theme song. Saan ka
Yes.
naman
Sana
pupunta
po
pa
okay
doon, di
talaga.
ba?
Ngayon, ang acting mo ba dyan, panlaban din sa mga awards.
Sana, well, syempre nagsisimula pa lang po. Tapos, siguro yung role ko ngayon, it's not masyadong dramatic rin. Medyo light role pa lang. So, tingnan na lang natin.
But that's a good start, di ba?
It's a
Then
good
from
start.
there you go, di ba?
At saka kung minsan yung mga ganyan lamang, pero yun ang napapansin, di ba?
Actually,
Ng mga,
totoo yun.
mga award-giving bodies na tinatawag.
Tama yun.
Who knows, baka biglang pag-attend mo doon sa awards night. And the best actor,
Nakaw!
Christian Bautista. Oh, di ba?
Sana.
Sarap, di ba?
Okay, yan, pag-uusapan pa natin yan dahil I'm sure na babalik ka pa rito, no?
Okay.
Bago may daw siyang mga Metro Film Fest. Ang pag-uusapan natin about your album.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you said earlier during the break na you wrote one or two songs
Yes.
for this album?
Doon sa second album ko na Christian Bautista Completely, I wrote 2 songs, Please Don't Go, saka Now That You're Here. Tapos, I'm so happy nga na itong My Heart Has a Mind of Its Own na nasa album din, ito rin nga yung song sa Mano po. Pero I'll be releasing my third album na rin.
Wow, very soon na yan.
Around December. So, excited na rin ako doon for that. And
Are you
thank you, Kuya Germs, of course, for supporting that
ibang
album.
klase itong album na ito na ginawa niya.
Mm.
Ito yung completely mapapanood mo at the same time.
Oh,
New
okay.
songs din.
Mhm.
New songs. So, 20 songs.
Oh, ang dami.
Na-witness ko
Sa
kasi dahil ginawa niya sa teatrino.
Yes, and you were
Diba?
there. Thank you
And,
for your support, sir.
Naku
Thank
all
you.
the time naman, lalo na pag si Carlo Rosa na nadinig ko sa pagtawag. Siyempre, kumbaga sa ano ba yung it's a matter of give and take,
Yeah,
ano?
tama naman yan.
Christian is here for how many times? And I'm expecting na wag siyang magsasawa
Ay,
dito.
opo. Hindi
At
po.
the same time, si Carlo rin, ano, pag ako tumatawag. Wala pa naman akong hindi na natatanggap ng sagot sa kanila.
Wow.
Laging yes. Ganun yan. Ano. Okay, ikwento mo sa kanya kay Jackie Lu dahil hindi niya na-witness yung ginawa mo doon sa
Okay,
teatrino.
it's a live album, tapos cover songs ang gagawin namin. Ang ginawa pala namin. So, we recorded it one day dun sa teatrino nga, 20 songs, and meron din kami audience na pumasok, live audience. So, parang mini concert / na ni-record na rin. So, lalabas siya sa DVD at lalabas din siya sa
Something
CD.
different, no? Oh.
At not only that, just imagine, Jackie Lu, nung mag-umpisa ang taping, mga bandang, ano na rin yung 5 o'clock o 6 o'clock ng gabi, no? Kailangan niyang gawin 20 songs doon sa video album na yon. Ang dami-dami.
Ang
Sabi
dami
ko,
talaga.
matatapos niyo ba ngayong gabi yan? Matatapos nila. Believe it or not, nandun ako sa Pilitas Restaurant, naghihintay ako, tapos na ba? Tapos na ba? Dahil nga yung mga ibang tinistar natin mga babae, nandun sa taping nila.
Yes.
Aba, pagdating ng mga 12 midnight, dumating na si Carlo na, tapos na. 20 songs, gano'n na. Live video,
Medyo mahirap nga.
Medyo
yung nangyari.
mahirap po.
Medyo mahirap. Experience hindi ko makakalimutan. Pero buti nila natapos na.
But
Sino nga
that's
yung
nice.
director
It's
nyo?
something else,
Si
something
Direk
different.
Treb Montrejas. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, it's good.
Okay, about yun, ito na naman balita na #1 ka pa rin dyan sa Asia.
Yung latest po na napuntahan namin is Singapore. Tapos
Singapore.
naging #1 po ulit yung The Way You Look at Me na song doon. So I'm very happy na merong ulit bagong country. So pupuntahan nga namin ulit yon para mag-promote din. Tapos sanang mag-hit din yung second single na ilabas din doon.
Sarap naman, ano? He's so blessed.
Ano ang ano ng isang Christian nung last year at saka itong year na ito?
Last year po, at natutuwa ako na, yun nga, I realized na pwede palang umabot yung kanta ko sa ibang countries. Pero ngayon, nagpapasalamat din ako kasi mas marami pang countries yung naabot. Tapos now I'm into movies. So sana patuloy pa.
For all you know, the next thing is you're going to be directing already.
Yeah, why not?
I mean, why not, di ba? Yeah.
So
Take it a
every
step
year,
further.
meron changes sa life
something
ni
new.
Christian Bautista, di ba?
And we're going to look forward sa third
Okay, please.
third album.
Okay, once again, your audience, Christian, your fans.
Okay.
Sige.
Sa lahat po na nanonood, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your support. Please support my second album and the movie, Mano po, and my upcoming album. So maraming salamat po rin sa mga nanonood. So walang tulugan, and I hope you continue your support also. So thank you very much.
And not only that, GMA International Pinoy TV,
That's right.
baka gusto mong mag-ano ng message doon sa ating mga
Sa lahat po
nasa
ng
abroad.
nanonood din, hope to see all of you. And pag pumupunta po kami kasi dyan sa mga bansa na kung nasa po kayo, it brings us joy na nakikilala niyo po kami. And it brings us joy na napapasaya din po namin kayo. So hope you're okay over there.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Christian Bautista. Thank you also to Carlo Rosa. Okay, this time, ito naman ang mga beauties. Mga